Summer has been in full swing across the plains, and a lot of that warmth has been fueling the return of strong thunderstorms. Fired off yesterday across parts of the central U.S., Nebraska, and parts of the Dakotas, yet again in the threat zone today. You've got about 100 or so storm reports from multiple states. Our top wind gusts yesterday out of Nebraska up around 85 miles per hour. There were some reports of a tornado back out across parts of western Nebraska as well. So the leftovers of that continuing to shift up the I-29 corridor in and around Kansas City, where we're starting the morning with some rumbles of thunder now as that continues to close in on the I-70 corridor, Topeka, down into Emporia. So heads up, Kansas City, this is not the first round. We're going to get more as we continue into today. So we will have to start maybe a slower start to the day. Take your time, but I want to show you this is our dew point, because if you look really closely, you can actually see some of the outflow boundaries from those showers overnight. That drier air trying to kick into parts of central Nebraska down through western Kansas City, though, 66 degrees. We're going to get some pretty decently heavy rain as we go through this morning. We reset going into this afternoon. Dry line yet again is going to be the focus to trigger these thunderstorms. We do have a decent amount of recovery for the afternoon. Temperatures warming up into the 80s. We have our area of low pressure. So remember, we have high pressure that's been building. That's shifting east as our trough slowly charts to chart its way across the Rockies. So we do have some spin in the atmosphere, albeit weak, which is why we just have the level 1 highlight for severe weather. But given the heating, giving a little energy and those dew points in the 60s, expecting storms to return, but not until a bit later into the day. So here we are through the evening, dry from Sioux Falls, Omaha, Kansas City across our storm zone. But right after that dinner hour is when we expect those storms to begin to fire. Hail is our primary concern. That will roll in through the overnight, and then we'll see that continue to blossom with some periods of heavy rain driving into St. Louis by tomorrow morning's commute. So watching the overall severe weather pattern closely, we again ramp it up into the start of the week across parts of the plains, Nebraska, Kansas, into Colorado, just outside of Denver. And as we look ahead into June, while it's been an overall quiet pattern in the last week or two, come mid-month, expecting to see a more powerful jet stream begin to dip, and that return of a severe weather stretch expected across parts of the central plains. So